Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah, and today's pick a card reading is to receive guidance from your angels and spirit guides. So, for today's reading, we have three set of cards with us. This is going to be short, crisp, and precise reading. So, the three piles that we have for today's reading is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. You can pick the cards intuitively, or you can pause the video if you would like and select your pile. Once you are done selecting your pile, please go to the description section below and tap on the timestamps and receive your guidance. So without any further ado, let's begin with the readings. So all those who have selected pile number 1, let's begin with your reading. So the cards that we have for you, pile number 1 is first, this is the affirmation. I am willing to learn. The more I learn, the more I grow. Then we have let your past go. Relationship. This is a pop-up card. Energy work. Clairsentience. Divine order. And counselor. So with these cards, with let your past go card, the angels are asking you to release all the past memories and things that you have done. Also with let your past go card, I see that there is a lot of painful memories and relationship that you are still holding on in your life. With this card, the angels are asking you to release the past so that divine can take place and help you. Also with the relationship card, which goes very well with let your past go card, a past relationship that is hurting you too much is still a part of your life which needs to let go. Energy work can really help you let go of that relationship that is not for your highest good. Remember, holding on to a person or a situation which only brings you negativity or only lowers your energy is not at all advisable, and the angels are asking you from today's reading to let it go peacefully and happily. As you let go of the past relationship and the past situations that no longer serve you, the angels are definitely going to bring in something better in your life. With the clarisentience card, Archangel Raguel is asking you to pay attention to your emotions to help, so that it may help you check whether you are on the right track or no. If something feels heavy to you, remember it is not for your highest good. Things and people who seem and feel light, who are very pleasant to be with, and who bring in the best side of you, are people and situations that you should treasure and towards which you should work. With the divine order in the reading, Archangel Raguel again is asking you to please let go of the past illusions and pay attention to your future. If need be, consult a counselor or a dear friend or a wise person who might help you to take note of the situation and understand whether the situation or the person is really for your highest good or it is time for it to let go. Release all that no longer serves you. With the energy work card over here, I also see that if some of you have been practicing energy work, any type of energy work, it is time for you to continue practicing it and working on it, so that it will help you release all that no longer serves you and helps you build a life that you truly desire and choose. Also, if you do not know energy work, with this card over here, I clearly see and the angels are guiding you that it is time for you to take some energy healing, so that it will not only help you release the past but also help you move towards a better, brighter future for yourself. The affirmation that you can use during this period is this: I am willing to learn. The more I learn, the more I grow. So whatever has happened in the past, view that as a lesson and move towards a better, brighter future. There is no need to be holding on to a past and holding on to people and situations that no longer serve you, that tie you down, but it is now clearly the time to let them go so that you can move ahead towards a better, brighter future for yourself. If you resonated with the reading, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the videos that we upload. Follow us on social media accounts Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube by the name Magical Droplets by Chital Shah. Thank you. So, all those who have selected pile number 2 or this particular card, let's begin with your reading. The affirmation that we have for you is: at this very moment, enormous wealth and power are available to me. I choose to feel worthy and deserving. So, what I understand and what message the angels are giving me from this card is that you choose to be powerful, you choose to live an authentic life that you are ready to live, and you choose to take back your power from everyone and everything in and around you. So, let me first open cards for you. I'll place this affirmation card over here. The first card is family. The next card we have is there's nothing to worry about. So with these two cards, I clearly see that the angels and spirit guides are taking care of each and every member of your family, and you need to just release all your worries to them. Ask the angels, ask the spirit guides to take care of each and every member of your family, including yourself, your pets, so that they are divinely taken care of and you reach the right person, the right doctor, physicians, and specialist to help you with any particular situation if you have been going through. The next card is heart chakra. All is well. See, again, with there is nothing to worry and all is well card. The angels are really taking care of everything in your life and in the life of all your near loved ones. You just need to relax and let them take control. The next is victory. Wow, what a beautiful set of cards. And final card is brilliant idea. The message that angels and spirit guides are clearly giving you is leave all your worries to them, especially about your parents, your children, your pets, and your loved ones. Let angels take care of your family and you move ahead with the brilliant idea that you have with you right now, so that you can see victory and success in your life. Remember that everything is going exactly as it has been divinely guided and planned, and which is definitely for your highest good. So there is nothing to worry at all. Also, with the heart chakra card, the angels first message that I am receiving for you guys is meditate upon your heart chakra and receive the messages that the angels are giving you. Second message is listen to your heart. Whatever your heart says is true for you. Don't listen to other people. Listen to what your heart says. Listen to what you resonate, so that you can move ahead in your life in a way that is not only successful for you but also fills your soul with love and joy. The last message that I am receiving from this card is your heart chakra may be blocked, and it is best to do some meditations or something to get it in alignment with things, with your other chakras, and help you move ahead in life. Also, with these three images over here, in these three cards, all is well, victory, and brilliant idea, as you can all see, it clearly shows that you are moving towards victory. Whatever step you are taking, you are going to win. It is going to be a victorious step, and angels are asking you to please move ahead over there fearlessly. Don't worry about anything or anyone, and just trust your plan, trust the path that you are working on, because it is going to be a victorious one. You are going to receive not only success, but there is going to be a huge fame that is coming to you from it. Also, what I see is there is going to be tremendous amount of growth beyond what you have imagined. It is going to be tremendous. Take that leap of faith, jump into that idea, jump into that new venture, and it is going to be victorious and successful, and it is something that you will truly enjoy. Also, how well these cards go with the card that you have selected, the affirmation. I would request you all, if you resonate, please use this affirmation daily in your life, so that you feel powerful and you attract enormous amount of wealth in your life. And know that you are worthy and deserving, and there is nothing that can stop you right now. I hope you all resonated with the reading. If you resonated, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that we upload. If you would like to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, please find the links in the description box below. Thank you. Okay, so pile number 3, the final pile, and here is your card and your reading. So you all have selected, each day is a new opportunity. Yesterday is over and done. Today is the first day of my future. So what a wonderful inspirational affirmation, which totally brings the best moment each moment you say it. Yesterday is done, over. So there is no need about thinking about the past. Just take today as a new opportunity, give in your best, and move towards a brighter, better future that you create for yourself. Let me put this card aside and let's begin with your reading. So the first card that we have for you is listen. Listen to the guidance that the angels are giving you. Giving and receiving. Wow. Showers of abundance. Wow, beautiful. The next is take back your power. Gentleness. And the final card we have is patience. So what the guidance that I am receiving for you guys is, you guys have listened to the guidance that the angels have been constantly giving you. You have given enough, and now it is time for you to receive back all the efforts, all the hard work that you have put in. It is time to receive the blessings, the love, and the abundance that you have given out freely to everyone around you. The angels ask you to listen to the guidance that they have been giving you and act on it. You have been gentle enough to care about everyone, from birds, animals, to everyone around you. You even care for the planet, and you have been working hard towards everything that is close to your heart. So now the angels are asking you to maintain a balance of giving and receiving. You have given effortlessly, you have given without weighing anything, and you have given so gently, so lovingly, that the angels want you to receive the same amount of love, blessings, and abundance in your life. And so, with showers of abundance and giving and receiving card, and also with take back your power card, I see that the angels are asking you to open your arms to receive, because there is an imbalance right now going on in your life with giving and receiving. And if you do not receive, you would not be able to give further, because there is an imbalance in giving and receiving, which can only be recovered if you receive. Also remember, if you have enough resources and enough money and love, and if you feel worthy, then you can give more. So receiving is as important a part in your life as is giving. So once you take back your power and once you start receiving without any guilt, without any worries, or any without any what do you say without any judgments, there will be showers of abundance in your life. I feel that some of you who have selected this pile are going through monetary crisis, and with the showers of abundance and giving and receiving card, the angels are asking you to please be open to receiving without any judgments, because the money that you require right now, the cash flow that you require is ready to come to you. You just have to give away judgments about receiving, having, and holding money and cash and abundance. As you release all the judgments about receiving, there will be an abundance of money in your life, which will help you give more, because if you do not have enough, you cannot pour out enough to other people, and receiving right now is the need of the hour for you guys. Also with the take also with this card, take back your power, I feel that you have given enough power to other people, and the angels are asking you to trust your instincts and trust the guidance that you are receiving. With Archangel Sandalphon and Archangel Zophiel besides us, and with the listen card, I feel you need to listen. The angels are asking you to listen to the divine guidance that they are giving you. Those may be guidance through repeated messages, repeating thoughts, feelings, emotions that come to you when you are just sitting silently with yourself. With Take Back Your Power card, listen to those guidance and act on it. You have given away your power and you have been listening to other people too much, which has not allowed you to grow in a manner that you would like to grow, or where you have not reached a place where you would have reached if you listen to yourself. So take back your power, listen to the guidance and act on it. Open up your receiving and receive without any judgments or expectations or any conclusions, because there is so much that is available to you right now. If only you would receive it right now, things would definitely shift tremendously for you. Also with the patience card, I see that you have been having a lot of patience over the past few years, and it is really time to bloom your own garden right now and take care of yourself and think about yourself. There is nothing wrong in thinking about yourself, caring about yourself, and having enough for yourself. It is not selfish, it is just that once you have enough for yourself and enough love for you, you can give it more unconditionally. Be gentle on yourself as much as you care and are gentle towards others, because as you show some care and gentleness and patience towards yourself, towards your life purpose, your goals, your ambitions, things will really start getting better. Use this affirmations if you feel like, and let go of the past, let go of even yesterday, and even let go of a few minutes or a few hours before this moment, so that things can start getting better for you. And just think about your present and your future, and be open to receive the divine guidance, love, and abundance that the angels and your spirit guides are ready to shower upon you. I hope you all resonated with the reading. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and links of which have been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.